Hi, I'm Tommy, and I'm here at the Botanic Garden at Georgia Southern University. And I was wondering, where does trash go when we're done with it? Well, most of the time you probably throw it in the trash can, and from there, usually it goes to a big hole in the ground called a landfill. And once your trash gets in the landfill, it breaks down over time. But different materials take different amounts of time to break down. A styrofoam box might take longer than a Coke can. I have an activity to test your guys' knowledge of how long different things take to break down. I'll give you a number and show you an object. And if you think it takes longer than that number to break down, do the greater than sign. If you think it takes less than that amount of time, do the less than sign. Are you ready? Here we go. The first item is styrofoam, like takeout food. And do you guys think it takes shorter or longer than 100 years to break down? Now remember, on the count of 3, just show me greater than if you think it's longer than 100 years, and less than if you think it's shorter than 100 years. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Greater than. Much greater than 100 years. Sometimes it can take as long as 500 years for styrofoam to break down. And depending on the type, it may last forever. What do you guys think about a soda can? You think it takes greater than or less than 500 years for the soda can to break down? Show me your answer on 3. 1, 2, 3. Less than 500 years. It takes a soda can about 80 to 200 years to break down. Sometimes instead of a can, we drink our soda out of a bottle. Now, every day, 60 million plastic bottles end up in landfills. But how long do they take to break down? Do you think it's greater than or less than 300 years? Show me your answers on 3. 1, 2, 3. Greater than 300 years. It can take anywhere from 450 to 700 years for plastic bottles to break down. Now, a lot of people get their news from the newspaper, which means there's new newspapers printed every week. But how long do they take to break down? Do you think it's greater than or less than 1 month for newspaper to break down? Think about it. Show me your answer on 3. 1, 2, 3. Greater than. It takes about 1.5 to 2 months for newspaper to break down. Last item, a glass bottle. Now sometimes there's drinks in glass bottles, but also there's other things, like pickles, jelly, and a bunch of other stuff at the grocery store. Now, do you think it takes greater than or less than 1,000 years for a glass bottle to break down? Show me your answer on 3. 1, 2, 3. Greater than. Also much greater than. It can take over 1 million years for a glass bottle to break down. Trash takes a long time to break down. So, by reducing the amount of trash we produce, we can help keep the earth clean. Let's do a rap to help us remember to reduce our trash. There's a problem we've heard called the greenhouse effect. It's getting warmer and warmer. What'll happen next? There's a box on our burgers and it's called styrofoam, and it'll be here long after we're gone. We've got to make a switch as fast as we're able to find something better that's biodegradable. Let's all work together. Let's all make a pact. It's not too late for us to clean up our act. So collect the paper, plastic bottles, and cans. To recycle all that is part of the plan. If we all make the effort and give what it's worth, we can clean up our planet. We can save Mother Earth.